Learn the popular budgeting method, the 50-30-20 rule. Budgeting is a very important skill that we all need to master in order to finance our basic needs, and at the same time, have enough time for fun and some for savings. There are many techniques that people follow when it comes to budgeting. One really good technique was popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren. She promotes the 50-30-20 budget rule in her book All You're Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. Stay tuned in this video as we discuss the details of this very efficient and easy way to plan your finances. Hi, welcome to RCE Finance Guide, where we'll be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. We will upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 3 to 4 times per week. If you have any feedback or comments about the topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated on all of our latest videos. If you have any further questions, you can comment on them while I work. Now, let's get down to the real talk. The general rule is to split your after-tax income into 3 categories of spending: 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. This intuitive and straightforward rule can help you draw up a reasonable budget that can stick to over time in order to meet your financial goals. Let's take a look at each division more closely. 50% needs. Needs are those bills that you absolutely must pay and are the things necessary for survivals. These include rent or mortgage payment, car payments, groceries, insurance, healthcare, minimum debt payment, and utilities. These are your must-haves. Half of your after-tax income should be all that you need to cover your needs and obligations. If you're spending more than that on your needs, you will have to either cut down on wants or try to downsize your lifestyles. Perhaps to a smaller home or more modest car. Maybe carpooling or taking public transportation to work is a solution, or cooking at home more often. If minor adjustments to your lifestyle is still not enough to ensure only 50% of your income goes towards needs, perhaps it's time to look for side hustles that will help you make extra dollars. We have some videos on our channel about part-time hustles you can do from the comfort of your home. To earn extra, please check them out. We might be able to help you. It seems logical that the majority of our income would go to our needs, but how do you feel about this? Do you think allotting 50% is enough or too much? Share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comments section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. 30%. Wants. Wants are all the things you spend money on that are not absolutely essential. This includes dinner and movies out, the new handbag, tickets to sporting events, vacations, the latest electronic gadget, and ultra high-speed internet. Anything in the wants bucket is optional if you boil it down. You can work out at home instead of going to the gym, cook instead of eating out, or watch sports on TV instead of getting tickets to the game. This category also includes those upgrade decisions you make, such as choosing a costlier steak instead of a less expensive hamburger, buying a Mercedes instead of a more economical Honda, or choosing between watching television using an antenna for free or spending money to watch cable TV. Basically, wants are those little extras you spend money on that will make your life more enjoyable and entertaining. This includes Starbucks, Coffee Bean, or any of your favorite local coffee shops. 20% savings. Finally, try to allocate 20% of your net income to savings and investments. This includes adding money to an emergency fund in a bank savings account, making IRA contributions to a mutual fund account, and investing in the stock market. You should have at least 3 months of emergency savings on hand in case you lose your job or an unforeseen event occurs. After that, focus on retirement and meeting other financial goals down the road. If emergency funds are ever used, the first allocation of additional income should be replenished the emergency fund account. Savings can also include debt repayment. While minimum payments are part of the needs category, any extra payments reduce the principal and future interest owed, so they are savings. What do you think about the 50-30-20 rule? Do you agree with this method? Please share your opinions with us in the comment section below. Let me share with you how I put this rule into practice. Here is a sample budget plan that I have created to track my income and expenses. If my net monthly income is around 5,000 per month using the 50-30-20 rule, I will divide it as follows. Needs 50%, which is $2,500. For wants, 30% is $1,500, and for savings is 20%, $1,000. In order to track my expenses and be able to check it, if I am able to pay for all of my expenses following this division, I will list them in detail. For my needs, my monthly bills are rent, $1,500. Utilities is $250. My insurance is $100. Aside from these, my essentials are groceries, which is $390. Household items is $100. Pet needs $60. And health. This includes my vitamins and allergy medications, which is $100. Overall, my needs cost $2,500. So far, that is 50% of my monthly income after taxes, so my needs are within my target. Next, we look at my wants. This includes my daily non-essentials. For shopping, $300. Restaurants, this includes dine-outs and takeouts, which is $250. Beauty, $150, which is additional skincare expenses like manicures, spas, etc. We have fun and miscellaneous, which is $200. For magazine and other additional subscriptions, $100. Home improvement is $300. Monthly subscriptions, streaming services, high-speed internet connection, and cable TV is $200. The total cost of my wants is $1,500. This is 30% of my monthly income. Lastly, I have a total savings of $1,000, but I like to divide it further for special events, such as birthdays, which I set aside for $25 monthly so I can splurge on my special day. I also set aside $100 monthly for Christmas, so I can also splurge on presents for myself and my loved ones. The rest of the money is kept as general savings. This is simple and straightforward way to track your money. I hope you can try making your own budget plan like this as well. Life should be enjoyed, and it is not recommended to live like a Spartan, but having a plan and sticking to it will allow you to cover your expenses, save for retirement, all at the same time, doing the activities that make you happy. We hope you learned something from today's video. If you have any questions or clarifications, just tell us in the comments section. Please do not forget to subscribe, and also please turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we uploaded next video. Take care.